Today we're going to find out what's new for 22 in the Flagstaff and Rockwood. 4 models actually. And just so you know, I'm literally at the factory in Millersburg, Indiana. Nobody else is doing this right now. First, we've got upgraded bedding. We've got a brand new headboard. I love that. And I don't know if they've mentioned this or not, or if it's just something they've done. I don't know if I've ever, this rounded thing right here as I walked in is really cool. Just a little bonus. Maybe it's in others. I just think that's cool the way that's rounded off there and not squared like that. The 12-volt solar-ready refrigerator is now standard in all models. Love that. Rockwood is also adding new colors in the cabinetry and the flooring. It's just very cool. And this is not necessarily new, but it's something I always really dig. It's just the TV that's hidden and coming up out of the counter. How cool is that? Fast forward it, so it won't go this fast. How James Bond is that? Come on now. So there's new graphics on these, and obviously they don't want you to see them yet. They've got them covered up. I wish I could show you, unless they forgot to cover it. Let's look at this. I really dig this. This little circle thing, you're like, okay, it's just a that's kind of cool looking. That's kind of sweet, especially after the past year, seeing basically the same kind of designs on a lot of these things. I dig that. Another added feature, heated tanks to extend the seasonal use of these RVs. Again, Rockwood, just listening to you, giving you what you want. This has always kind of bothered me, where there's always like a little step up into the slide, and I just assumed it's just something that had to be. Well, the folks at Rockwood and the 2022 fifth wheels have got this figured out. Watch this. This isn't open all the way. When it opens all the way, look what happens. This is huge. Look at that. Completely level now. You don't have a little step up where you're tripping into the couch or into the chair or bumping your head on this up here. You can stand up with me now. Completely level. Look how good that looks. It looks like an extension now as opposed to like an added room, if that makes any sense. On top of that, on top of the now level floor, literally on top of it, is a new hybrid carpet. Stain resistant, water resistant, pet friendly. Look, you can pet it and he doesn't even care. I think that's what that means. I don't understand that completely. But yeah, so exciting things happening at Rockwood. This is just absolutely brilliant. The level, the carpet that's gonna last forever. Ooh, Rockwood doing it up right. You know what's crazy? That even in the midst of this high demand that RV manufacturers are going through right now, they're still able to make these changes that you've asked for. That says a lot about Rockwood and their commitment to making you happy and keeping you in their RVs. Rockwood is doing amazing things, amazing upgrades and changes, all for you. But now I'm off to talk to some of the bigwigs and ask them some of the tough questions about pricing, about time frames, like when you'll be able to get these RVs. If you want the answers, then you need to get subscribed to this YouTube or get registered at virtualrvshow.com for the Virtual RV Show. Find out then what they have to say.